Today, we're taking a look at the ultimate luxury motorhome from Germany's Volkner Mobil. It's the Performance S model that comes with a hefty price tag of $2.4 million. This impressive RV has enough space to accommodate your supercar, such as the Bugatti Chiron, thanks to its unique hydraulic garage that emerges from beneath the vehicle. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Let's start by talking about the exterior of the Performance S. The motorhome comes in an eye-catching eggplant purple color and features a patented central garage, which makes it possible for you to transport your supercar in style. The slide-out wall allows you to create more space when parked, and the solar panels on the roof, along with 1,800 amp-hours of total battery capacity, allow for extended off-grid traveling. Moving inside, the Performance S feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. It features a high-end Burmester stereo responsible for $355,000 of the price. The cabin is lined with white upholstery throughout, and the brilliant black wood veneer is applied by hand throughout the interior. Furthermore, you have a vast shower area, ample storage, and a power-rising storage area for plates and cups, making this motorhome feel like a lavish home. The kitchen is fully equipped with an induction stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and even a wine cabinet. The Performance S is 39.37 feet long and has freshwater tanks with a capacity of 750 to 1,000 liters. It is available in two power options: a Volvo engine making 454 horsepower or a Mercedes power plant with 424 horsepower, both connected to an automatic gearbox. The unique feature of Performance S is the under-vehicle garage, which emerges hydraulically. You can easily drive a Bugatti Chiron or a supercar of your choice onto the platform, and the whole thing slides under the motorhome. There's no need for tie-downs, and you can carry two vehicles without needing the additional hassle of a trailer. It's impressive to think that you can carry your supercar with you as you explore the most breathtaking places on Earth. With this motorhome, you'll have the ultimate freedom to explore new adventures on the road, and you'll be traveling in style and luxury. So what do you think about the Performance S motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Next Coolest Gadgets for more exciting tech reviews.